Let's take a look at DDScad for electrical engineers. This is a program I stumbled upon when I was looking at AutoCAD and reviewing it for electrical engineering use. It's listed on the AutoCAD website, so I did a little research on it. DDScad's actually a Norwegian company. It was started in 1984, so it's been around for quite a while. They were purchased by the holding company for Graphisoft, and then the two were merged together in 2021, so it's kind of under the Graphisoft banner, which is the company that does AutoCAD. They have a program called DDS Electrical, so that's what we're going to be looking at today. We're going to be using the Electrical Engineering BIM Scorecard, which is a series of 10 questions that you can use to evaluate BIM software for the use by electrical engineers. The first three questions are, does engineering exist, does MEP exist, and does electrical exist? We can immediately answer yes to all of those questions. This is an electrical engineering package. The next question is, can you insert electrical devices? The answer to this is yes. So DDScad is a standalone package. It's its own little CAD system, and it's built for doing electrical design. I've never actually used it, so this review is based purely upon their marketing material. But based upon what they're saying, yes, you can do electrical devices with this software. So it's something that could replace AutoCAD. The next question is, can you create a panel schedule? Yes, you can. They call them distribution boards and systems, which is a little bit of a vocabulary difference. I think that probably stems from the fact that they're Norwegian and not American. But yeah, they're doing panel schedules, they're doing circuits, so they get a yes for number 5. Question number 6 is, can you calculate voltage drop? It's not listed on the front page where I'd really like it to be in terms of the marketing and emphasis of their feature set. If you dig into their features PDF, yes, voltage drop is listed out as a specific function. They've got a couple of videos if you search online, so they can do a voltage drop calculation. So yes to number 6. Question 7 is, can you do a panel load calculation? This isn't just connecting devices to your panels, but actually doing a feeder and service load calculations. It looks like they have some basic functionality in there for doing that. Question 8 is short circuit analysis or fault calculations. And this looks like a no. It's not listed on that PDF where I saw a voltage drop called out. I didn't find anything on my online searches, so I don't think they can do a fault calculation. Again, I didn't actually install or try the software, so I don't know if this is true or not, but it doesn't look like it. It's certainly not something that they're emphasizing. However, if you go to question number 9, which is, can you create a single line diagram? The answer to this is yes. So looking at that PDF again, they call that out as a specific feature. They understand that single line diagrams are an important part of the electrical design process, and they have features in there for supporting that design. Question number 10 is, can you do multifamily dwelling calculations or other advanced calculations? This would probably require you to actually install the software, so I can't really say whether it's a 10 or not without really digging into it. Let's go ahead and give them an 8 on the scorecard. Remember, Revit is a 6, so this is actually a pretty interesting piece of software that has quite a bit of functionality built into it. If you're looking to get outside of the Autodesk ecosystem and you want to get away from AutoCAD and Revit, it's something that as an electrical engineer you could at least look at. It appears to have the pieces you need to do a pretty complete electrical design. Again, I've never used it, so you'll need to do your own due diligence to see if it's a product that will work for you. It's something that you could consider as an upgrade from what you're using in Revit or AutoCAD today.